Guys, it's Jennifer and I'm here today to talk to you about Material Box. I've done one other video about this service, so it's my favorite subscription service. It's the only one that I do, actually. I've tried all the others and just never loved them. That being said, I shop for a living, so I'm kind of picky, and it's not the easiest job for someone else to find clothes for me. So but the reason I liked Material World is because it's higher end pieces, secondhand, so consignment. But they're like new. They don't sell pieces that look worn or are, or damaged or anything like that. Everything looks like new, and sometimes you get new with tags. Like actually, the shirt I'm wearing right now is Mage, a French designer, and it was new with tags, $225 originally. Okay. You know what? I don't have my invoice. I'm going to pause this video. I'll be right back. So this shirt that I have on, I just told you is new with tags, and it was $225 retail, and I paid $55 for it. It's one of the pieces in the box that I am keeping, obviously, since I'm already wearing it. I like this brand, and I've never really purchased anything in it. I've picked it out for clients and that, but it's my first piece, and I think it's darling. I love this color, and I like the little necklace detail. So anyway, I don't know where I went. I got off track. Okay, so they send you a box of pieces based on your profile that are secondhand, and that you get 5 pieces each month, and it's a $25 fee, but if you buy something, they refund that. If you purchase the whole box, they give you 20% off. So it's a pretty cool deal, and you're getting a lot for less money, which is what I'm all about. Like, I really love finding things, better deals, and on sale. I have a hard time paying full retail for anything. So as you can see in my hands, I have these lovely Marni pumps. They're really high, but they have the platform, and I just loved the heel so much. They're super comfy, believe it or not, with that height. They're so comfortable. So this is another piece I'm going to keep. And these Marni pumps were $96. So that's a very good deal for a Marni pump. I can put a link to a Marni pump below and show you how much they would be full retail, in case you want to buy full retail ones. They also sent me another new with tag piece, and it's a leather pencil skirt. It was really cute, just a little too big for me. I did like it. I do have a leather skirt already that's shorter, so I probably don't need 2 leather skirts living in San Diego, and it was a little too big, so that's going back. Then they sent me this Darling Parker tank top, and it's just a floral and black tank top, and it has a pretty, oh, it's inside out. It has this pretty, like, overlay detail, and very feminine. I love Parker. It's a nice feminine brand. And this tank top would have been $62.40. I'm not keeping it. It's a little tight and busty for my size, and so very frequently things are just too tight in the chest ribcage area. So that's going back. The leather skirt was also $64 for a leather skirt. Like, that's insane. Is this the last piece? I think this is the last piece. It is so, so, so cute. It is a jumpsuit romper. It's by Parker. It's bedazzled on the top, and it has cute little leg with a, it's tapered, and it has some pleating in the front. It's so, in pockets. It's super sweet. Number one, it was a little tight in the waist. I have the kind of a wide waist for my body. I have a straight, kind of a boy frame, and I'm really broad up here. So strapless, straight across strapless does not really do anything for me. It just makes me look broader. So sadly, that is going back as well. But that one was $83.20. So I really enjoyed this month's box. I'm keeping 2 of the pieces, and they did a good job picking out things that I liked, because I literally liked every single thing in this box, and that has almost never happened to me. So if you want to give it a try, I'm going to send a link, or set a link below, or post a link below. You can also mail in your gently used, contemporary clothing. If you go to their website, I'll link to this as well, and you can find a list of the brands they take. They take contemporary brands and designer, so no fast fashion, and you can send their things in, and then you can make some money off of things that you have laying around at your house that you're not wearing. So, hope you enjoyed this. Take care and have an amazing day. Thanks for spending the last 4 minutes with me. Bye bye.